once again, I want you to imagine it's a warm, sunny summer's afternoon. And I want you to imagine that you're just sitting on a park bench and you're just watching a lake. And on the lake is ducks and swans and birds and different types of fowl. And they're just there, just doing their thing. And you're just in this peaceful warmth. Again, people are just going about their business, but you feel completely safe. Just sitting on the bench, just watching the calm water and the birds just there. The next thing you hear this sound. And as you look over your right shoulder, you see the most amazing white swan. And you see it coming over your shoulder like this amazing, graceful bird. And it's about to land on the water. And you see it sort of dip its feet as if it's going to be skating across the water, and its feet just hits the water, and it causes a wake on this perfectly calm lake, and it just settles down and comes to rest. And as you're looking at that, I want you to imagine now that you stand up from the bench. And you just see yourself now and feel yourself. You just stood up from the bench. And you remember as a child, or even recently, you might have seen or blown some bubbles. And you know what these bubbles look like. And the way the light catches them. They have different colours. And yet, you can see through them and see out through a bubble. And we're going to put upon you now what we call a bubble of protection. A bubble that when it is put around you now, only love can enter. Anger, frustration, bitterness, negativity, viruses, disease cannot enter this bubble when it's around you. But at the same time, these same negative traits cannot leave the bubble. Love can enter the bubble, and love can leave the bubble. But anything else will bounce off the outer wall of the bubble and bounce back to you, helping you to understand how your perceptions and your projections are not helpful to anybody unless you learn the root cause and where they're coming from, helping you to heal in every way. And so, as you stand there, I want you to imagine from me now, about 2 feet under your feet, I want you to imagine this bubble, and it's beginning to rise about arm distance, as if your arms are stretched out from your body, that distance away. And this bubble is beginning to rise, and it's rising up your body. Slowly and gently, it begins to rise up over your body. And the same about 1 or 2 feet above your head. But this bubble doesn't close like a normal bubble. It has an opening at the top. And that's because this is a sacred bubble. This is a powerful bubble of truth. So in your mind's eye now, I want your higher self to give you a symbol or an object in which you are going to seal this bubble. If you like, you're going to tie it shut. I remember when I did this years ago, I use the black belt, the martial arts black belt, because it reminded me of hard work and strength and courage. And so I tied off the bubble. So you might just use a favorite colored ribbon or some gold thread. You may even decide to sew it shut. Whatever it is, there's a reason for that. Your higher self is giving you a reason for the symbol that you use and the color that you use and what it means for you to use it. So just feel that bubble there now and just feel what it feels like to be in this protected space. This space that only love can enter and love can leave, and everything else, all misqualified energy, all thoughts, all viruses, anything that is no longer useful to you, anything that won't help your soul to grow, cannot enter and cannot leave this bubble. That's right. And now I want you to take this exercise and to understand that every morning for the next 21 mornings, when you wake up, just throw your feet over the side of your bed, sit or stand, whichever you wish. And I want you to bring this bubble over you again every day and seal it with the exact same object, ribbon, color, whatever it was, the exact same. And you're going to do this every morning for 21 days. And if during the day you feel any challenging situation that you have to face, take a moment, close your eyes, and just strengthen this bubble. Just see this bubble pulsating, coming up full of love and light and peace. Just any time, as many times during the day as you want to, you need to, or you can. But at least every morning you must put this up to help your mind to be strong, to help your body to be strong, and to remind your spirit that you love it and the grace of it in your life. And so this will be your strengthening, powerful technique for the next 21 days. And on a count now of 1 to 3, again, if you've nothing better to do, you can just sit down on the bench, the bubble all around you, looking at the lake. And if you have other stuff to do, then return into the here and now on the count of 3. 1, feeling really, really good about this bubble, about everything that you've learned on this call. 2, that willingness to be open, to share, to be. 3, opening your eyes, just returning now to the here and now, and just getting on with your day. Service to yourself, service to man, is service to God. Go in love, go in light. Do what you can. Help when you can. Don't feel guilty if you can't help. Don't feel guilty if you don't want to help. Let all fear disappear from your being now. Love and light to you all, and may your prayers be heard by the source of all sources. Thank you. Bye-bye.